Hello, and welcome to Discover Daily, the podcast where we explore the latest stories curated from Perplexity's Discover feed. I'm your host, Alex, and my voice is powered by 11 Labs. Today, we'll start with Amazon's growing army of robots, then dive into the latest breakthroughs in fast-charging sodium-ion batteries, and finally, we'll take a look at the Ask Dalí installation that's bringing the iconic artist back to life through AI. Let's jump in. First up, Amazon's robotic workforce. Did you know that the e-commerce giant now employs over 750,000 robots across its operations worldwide? These machines, ranging from robotic arms to fully autonomous mobile robots, are designed to work collaboratively with human employees, taking on repetitive tasks and improving efficiency, safety, and delivery times. Amazon's robots handle everything from sorting packages to moving inventory shelves and even transporting items around the warehouse. The company says these robots are intended to support workplace safety and ergonomics by taking on physically demanding tasks. But while Amazon maintains that the robots are meant to assist human workers, not replace them, it's clear that this automation is also changing or eliminating some roles. Next, let's talk about a potential game changer in the world of batteries. Several recent breakthroughs in sodium-ion battery technology could enable extremely fast charging, and we're talking really fast. Researchers at the University of Tokyo and Osaka Metropolitan University in Japan have developed solid electrolytes with sodium-ion conductivity roughly 10 times higher than required for commercial use. This could allow sodium-ion batteries to charge in as little as 10 minutes or even a few seconds. Meanwhile, Chinese battery giant KTL has developed a sodium-ion battery that can charge to 80% in just 15 minutes at room temperature. And Swedish company Northvolt has created a sodium-ion battery with an impressive energy density made from sustainable, abundant materials. These advancements, combined with the low cost and abundance of sodium, could accelerate the shift to more sustainable energy storage and electric vehicles in the coming years. However, more work is still needed to scale up and commercialize these lab-scale prototypes. Finally, let's explore the Ask Dalí installation at the Dalí Museum in St. Petersburg, Florida. This AI-powered feature allows visitors to have a unique interactive experience with a digital replica of Salvador Dalí, the renowned surrealist artist. Visitors can lift the receiver of a lobster-shaped phone, a replica of Dalí's famous lobster telephone sculpture, to ask questions and receive responses generated by artificial intelligence. The AI utilizes a model based on OpenAI's GPT-4, trained with Dalí's archival audio and writings, allowing it to mimic the artist's unique style of speaking and his imaginative responses. Since its launch on April 11th, 2024, coinciding with the anticipation of Dalí's 120th birthday, the installation has answered over 3,000 questions from visitors, ranging from interpretations of his artworks to existential themes concerning life, love, and death. Ask Dalí reflects the museum's ongoing effort to integrate technology into its exhibits and explore the intersection of art and technology, something that Dalí himself championed during his lifetime. That's all for today's episode of Discover Daily. If you enjoyed these stories, be sure to subscribe to the show on your favorite podcast platform. You can find links to all the stories we covered in this episode in the description. We'll see you back here tomorrow. Until then, stay curious.